How you doing? I'm Boris from Street Machinery, Euclid, Ohio. We are a custom hot rod shop. We've been in business since 1993. Our specialty is 40s, 50s, and 60s cars, though we do others. We do body, paint, mechanical restoration. We do customization, a lot of aftermarket suspensions and chassis, of course engines, transmissions, that sort of thing. Today we invited Ohio Technical College, OTC, where some of our employees in the past have graduated from. We have invited them and their class to come out and visit our shop and take a look at what we're doing. Got a pretty long backlog of projects that we have and a limited amount of help at the shop. So we are looking for somebody that's some time in a body shop with some high-end guys that know what they're doing, restoring classic cars and doing custom work. And hopefully we can even hire a few students.